Are you wanting to be able to tilt all of the attachments on your excavator by up to 180 degrees and when digging narrow trenches not be limited by the width of your hitch? Or are you wanting to set up your excavator with attachments that have been built to the champions in this industry? In this video, we're going to go over the features and benefits of the Heli-Tilt and who might benefit most from using it. Hi everyone, I'm Daryl, so I'm the Victorian Territory Manager here at Attach2 Equipment. Attach2 have been building and supplying attachments to the earth moving industry since 2009. When it comes to our attachments, our clients often ask, how can I get more performance from my excavator? One of the most popular solutions is our Heli-Tilt. So our Heli-Tilt is an actuator-driven tilting hitch, which is suited for machines and excavators right through from 1 to 36 tonnes. The key part of the Heli-Tilt is the helical-driven actuator, which allows you to tilt all of the attachments on your excavator by up to 180 degrees. So this one here is our HT series actuator Heli-Tilt, and that's the machines from 10 through to 36 tonne. And this one here is the HTR, which is for excavators ranging from 1 up to 10 tonnes. So with the tilt range on our Heli-Tilt coupler, on our machines from 1 to 10 tonnes, you can tilt all of your attachments for a total of 180 degrees or 90 degrees in each direction. For machines from 10 to 15 tonnes, you can tilt your attachments a total of 130 degrees, which is 65 degrees in each direction. And then finally on machines from 15 to 36 tonnes, you can tilt your attachments 134 degrees in total, or 67 degrees in each direction. We've designed the Heli-Tilt with the lowest possible height, which is from your machine pin through to your pickup. That gives you greater breakout force when using machines out in the field. We've designed our Heli-Tilt to be as light as possible. We've done this by using stronger steels, which has enabled us to reduce the thickness of the steel in some areas without reducing the strength of the unit, which really helps to enhance the performance of your excavator. The Heli-Tilt is built with our industry-leading shore grip coupler base, which enables you to pick up any attachment. This is a multi-pin center pickup. That means that you can pick up any attachment within this hitch's weight class. A key design feature of our Heli-Tilts is the leading edge at the front of the pickup point here. This enables you to pick up attachments with ease, even when coming in from a slight angle. Our shore grip coupler base is a simple and easy design. It operates on a simple single cycle system, disengaging the coupler from within the cab, changing over your attachment and reactivating the cylinder to pick up your next attachment. Another key feature is our specially designed sock, which fits over the cylinder and safety spring in the base of the unit here, which means rocks and loose debris aren't going to get stuck or jammed in the cylinder or the spring. All our couplers are fully compliant with ISO and Australian safety standards, which means in the event of a hydraulic failure, your attachments will remain in their working position. Every Heli-Tilt comes with a design-rated lifting eye, which is located either on the base or the top of the unit. These lifting eyes are rated from 1 tonne on the smaller units right up to 12 tonne on the larger ones. On all our Heli-Tilts from 10 tonne and above, they come with a GPS-ready mounting bracket. This means that there's no need for you to weld any additional mounting points on your coupler. So this is located in a safe place under here to protect your GPS system, and also comes with an easy routing system for the wiring. All of our Heli-Tilts come with a fully welded chassis, which is welded in our fabrication bays in our Brisbane warehouse. On our HTR Heli-Tilts, these come with a specially designed manifold block on the top of the unit. This makes for easy routing for plumbing up your machine. As with all of our products, for your peace of mind, our Heli-Tilts come with our industry-leading 3-year warranty on manufacturing and material defects. This warranty extends for 3 years or 3,000 hours, whichever comes first. We know that in this market, downtime is critical, and that's why our warehouses are fully stocked and ready to ship. We can get these dispatched within 5 to 7 days on the larger units and 3 to 5 days on the smaller ones. However, if you need it sooner, please get in touch with us and we'll do our best to get it to you when you need it. We also take any breakdowns very seriously and prioritise getting you and your machine back up and running as soon as possible. If you're wanting to tilt all of your attachments by up to 90 degrees, and dig in narrow confined spaces like a trench, then the Heli-Tilt is going to be ideal for you. However, if you only need to tilt your attachments by up to 45 degrees in each direction and don't need to dig in narrow confined spaces, then our ram tilt hitch could be a great alternative option for you. As far as cost goes, the Heli-Tilt can cost you, as a ballpark figure, anywhere from $8,000 through to $43,000 depending on your machine. The best way for you to purchase a Heli-Tilt is working through your local excavator dealership, and they can package this into your machine build. However, if you're looking to fit an existing machine with a Heli-Tilt, you can contact us directly for supply of the unit. Along with your Heli-Tilt hitch, we also recommend that you purchase any buckets and other attachments from us as a performance package to ensure that your buckets and attachments are working perfectly in unison with your excavator. You can contact us on 1800 095 689 or email us at sales@attach2.com. Get your performance package from us here at Attach2 and we'll help you get working faster.